Get that nose down. Wait, get that nose down, way down. Okay.
I thought I taught him better than that.
He's coming around now. He's going to touch and go here. Okay. Well, he's coming in. He's through with that event. Nice one. Mover! Okay, Bill Bachman, our local representative from Pinehollow Reservoir, is going to put his wannabe mall airplane in the air for his attempt at the second round of competition.
Don't like it so well here. He left foot in.
He takes off.
Moves here now.
Goes beyond the pole. Then he does 1, 2 rolls, and he comes around for a touch and go. Oops, he missed it. So he's got to go around now, and he's got to do something else out here. One loop. And he's got that under the... Okay. Round for a touch and go. In the box. Did he touch? Oh, he made it. He made it. Okay. Now he's got to do a roll. Okay, and come down to another spot landing.
Bill likes to brag that he only flies once a year when we come up to have the Seaplane Championships.
Oh, he touched. Oh, too bad.
And of course we'll believe him.
Who's that little guy? He's got a badge on his... Yeah, look at that little guy.
Sitting next to Lindsay.
What does your badge say?
I fly RC.
How about that?
Yeah.
Let's see what this one says. This one says Evergreen Scale Rally. Wait, that's going to be in a couple weeks from now. You going to be there? Okay, it's still Saturday afternoon, about 12:30, and it's time for the double limbo event. Jim Weaver's going to show us how it's done with his Piper Super Cruiser. Time starts when you first go through the first limbo pole. Okay, he's through the first set. Okay, after the first set. Oh, this is the second set. Okay, he's changing directions here. So through the first set. Oh, gee, willikers. Well, it's Sunday morning. Time for the famous double limbo event.
Crashed it Saturday.
Gorgeous weather. Overcast, 75 degrees, glass, smooth water. We're lining up first come, first serve for double limbo. Yes, sir. Just what the doctor ordered. Couldn't be better.
Sunday morning, Dick Hansen on the limbo. Double set of limbo poles. Loop in between. And he made it. Second pass. And they just called time. And we are landing. Yeah, I think you destroyed us, Dick.
Okay, Larry Shepard from Paradise, California, Hankel 2. Okay, this is our second scale plane for the limbo.
The famous double limbo.
He's in the air.
You get extra points if you loop or roll between the limbo poles behind the sets.
Okay, he's going around again. He hasn't made the poles yet, but he's trying hard. Okay, he's coming around for the first set. Making a 180 here. Okay, there's the poles right there. There's the first one. And there's the second one. So it's plenty wide. It's just not really high.
You're watching part 1 of the 2005 Northwest Seaplane Championships at Pinehollow Reservoir.
All right, smart. You only get 20 extra points for doing a loop.
Part
so
2 will be shown in Scale Aircraft Show Volume 182.
All right, you made those,
Tune in.
those two. As I said before, you can get plans for this aircraft through RCM Modeler magazine. All right, here comes the first set of poles. And he's made them again. And the second set. Good.
Makes up for it.
Okay. He's made the first set again. Just hold it right there, Larry. Very good. Very good. The double limbo. Nowhere else but Northwest Seaplane Championships. That we know of anyway, right, Bob?
Yeah.
Hey! Okay, made the first set again. Okay. Go on around, Larry. Make a nice go on, make another landing. You got plenty of time. Okay, Larry has survived the famous double limbo. He's done his victory roll, and he's coming home. He's home. Very good, Larry.
Oh, I love this.
It's fun, isn't it?
This is what it's all about.
What'd you think of that, Alec? Huh? What did you think of that? Wasn't that fun? Huh? Wasn't that fun, Alec? Huh? What's that? What? Yeah, Grandpa. Okay, Louise made it through the first limbo poles with his J3 Cub. Okay, Louise is coming through the first set. Looks like he's going to make it. Straight ahead for the second set. Perfect, perfect, Louise.
Real quiet engine in there.
And he's got electric, so we don't dare get in the water in case he crashes. Very nice, very nice. Nice and quiet.
Like he's on a
No wind, it's perfect weather. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at all the fun Louise is having.
Oh, yeah, I'll just concentrate.
Yeah. Nice and smooth. Coming around for the first set of poles. Right there. He's through it. Now he's going to go through the second set. Right through him, right there. How about that, sports fans?
You too can do the double limbo.
First set. Second set. First set. And the second set. Okay, Luis has been called on time. He's got 3 minutes to do that. He did very well. Here comes that J3 Cub with a muffler on it. Very good. Okay, Bill Bachman's coming around for his first try at the limbos. He made the first one. And he's got a nice loop coming up here. Down through the second set. And he's going to go around for his second try here. This is a wannabe mall aircraft. Very nice, Bill. Right down through the second set.